So for 16 million views, 130,000 watch hours, I made. You know what drives me crazy is I can spend 45 hours editing a video that's like 12 minutes long with, you know, B-roll and everything like that, and it gets 1,000 views. Thank you for the 1,000 views. But I spend 5 minutes creating a very original coding meme and it gets 16 million views. I don't understand you, YouTube algorithm, but I'm gonna learn you one of these days. If you're new to the channel, my name is Jeremiah Peoples. I'm a self-taught software developer and I make lifestyle and tech videos. I lean kind of more towards the tech videos, but I also really enjoy the lifestyle videos because I like talking money, I like talking credit, stocks, real estate, finances. So I'm really excited to dive into this video where I go over exactly how much I made from a YouTube Shorts video with 16 million views. Bear with me now, because there's some backstory to this video. It's not just cut and dry. A few months ago, I was just, you know, strolling the internet and I saw YouTube announced a new feature in beta called YouTube Shorts, and I'm like, I will give that a try. So I looked at it and I'm like, okay, I get it. It's a vertical video. You make a 60-second video and it shows up on people's For You page. Sorry, their newsfeed. So with like no preparation or no real plan, I just propped up my phone and I made this like little programming meme that's just everywhere. Bingo bongo, put it up on the YouTube Shorts thing, and I walked away from it and never looked back. A few weeks go by and I'm playing Call of Duty with my brothers and I'm like, guys, that little Shorts video has 30,000 views. Got 300,000, a million views, and it just kept climbing. And at this point, my channel wasn't monetized. I had about 2,000 subscribers, but I was struggling to hit that 4,000 hours of watch time that you need. If you want to become a monetized YouTube channel, you need 1,000 subscribers at least and over 4,000 watch hours. So I was watching those numbers go up. I'm like, ooh, I'm about to get my watch hours that I need. I'm about to get monetized ASAP. No, I didn't read the YouTube Shorts fine print. YouTube Shorts does not generate ad revenue. YouTube Shorts watch time doesn't count towards monetization. Nice. Perfect. Cool. I didn't need those watch hours anyway. It's fine. I'm fine without it. I'm not heartbroken. But with those 1, 2, 3 million views, a few of them were stopping by and I'm like, hey, this channel's not too bad. I'll stick around. So they subscribed. So I started receiving a couple more thousand subscribers. So those new subscribers hopped on and watched my other videos, and like almost instantaneously, I had the 4,000 hours of watch time right there to go. After a few days, I requested monetization and bingo, bango, bongo, I was monetized. So the video is continuing to blow up, like 7 million views at this point, and I'm like, oh, whatever. These views don't really count for ad revenue. I'm not gonna make any money off of this, so I didn't really keep up with checking how much money I was pulling in. I have received like 13,000 comments on that video, and I read pretty much, for the most part, all of them. And one of the comments stuck out to me above all the others. Some lad was like, I had to watch a 15-second ad to watch a 30-second video? What's going on? But so I mean, I looked into the issue. I'm like, you're getting ads? No, it's a YouTube short, my guy. You're not gonna get ads on a YouTube short. So I checked into it and I'm like, huh, there's a little bit of money here. And I still have no idea how that's possible. I even like try to recreate it. I opened up a new incognito tab. I went to the video and I'm like, ad? And I still haven't seen one, so I'm not sure who's getting these ads, but apparently people are, because I'm making money off of this video. But just how much money, I further deduced it too long as it is. So for 16 million views, 130,000 watch hours on a 30-second YouTube Shorts where only some people are getting ads, I made $1,900. Yeah, whoa, woo, go crazy. And that's all the analytics we're gonna go into. I'm not even gonna pretend like I understand the CPM with this guy, because some people are getting served ads, some people are not. Based on how you view the reel, you're getting an ad. So I don't understand those numbers, so I'm not even gonna cover them. So if you didn't know, I'm a programmer, and programmers work on this agile mentality, which is fail early and learn often. And that's what I did with this YouTube beta thing. I'm like, I don't know what it is, but what am I gonna learn if I don't try it? I'm super grateful and thankful that the YouTube algorithm decided to pick my video to push to 16 million people. But the $1,900 that I made from that isn't even the most exciting part. The content creators that I met off that, I got an additional 25,000 subscribers that came from that video. I've met amazing people, and I've even gotten a few job opportunities because people saw that video, checked out my other videos, and saw that I programmed and wanted to possibly work with me programming. So yeah, $1,900 and a ton of opportunities came with 16 million views on a YouTube short. I did a lot of research before I started my channel, and I kind of realized, hey, once you blow up for one thing on YouTube, you just do that thing over and over again until you build your empire. But the thing is, I couldn't quite bring myself to create a bunch of cringy programming memes on YouTube. That's not really where I want to take this channel and have my brand go. So I did not dive headfirst into shorts and make content super similar to that, but I have been having an amazing time with this channel in general and meeting people and creating amazing content that people are seeming to enjoy. So if you're interested in lifestyle things or tech things, drop a like. If you haven't already, subscribe. And like always, I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. See ya.